Hello and welcome to your active calf fascial freedom tutorial. Now ideally we're going to be using our fabric elastic band from our functional training kit, attaching it to something solid, wrapping it around the ankle so we can actually work on some dorsiflexion under resistance. So the ball is in the calf muscle, again finding your restricted spots, a little bit of self-discovery there. Once you've got it, as always, relax onto it first of all, allow the body to relax. Then when ready, we're going to gently pull back against the resistance band and you'll feel all through the shins activate, which will then tell the calf muscle to let go. So there's that active release there. Pull back, hold it for a couple of seconds, calm breathing, gently let it back out again. You can also play around with it, internally, externally rotate the leg a bit, move the ball to a different spot depending on where you feel the restrictions. It doesn't just have to be in the calf, by the way. We can move the ball all the way down towards the Achilles. It might be a little bit hard to balance on top of the ball. If that is the case, use a roller or a bit of PVC piping. And the other option too is by putting the other leg on top to get a little bit of extra resistance on top. So have a play with that. Looking forward to seeing you guys on the next video tutorial.